Bad faders. Bad. All right, so there they are. The repair was successful, and it's still a mystery whether what exactly was causing the problem, although I think I've narrowed it down to it not being electronic. This one was the worst of the four, and it was, if I remember correctly, either not moving at all or it would move down and stay down. Anyway, I inspected the belt, and I would hang on to one side of it and attempt to pull, and there was no slippage whatsoever. So the belt is tracking just fine, absolutely fine. And I can put a lot of torque on that thing. I can pinch this belt and pull on this thing and put a lot of torque on it, and it does not slip. I'm really cranking on that. So my belief that it was the belt slipping or teeth damaged is wrong. That's not what caused it, which leads me to believe that it's the motor. Probably something failing in its windings or whatever. I'm not completely versed in electric motors, but that appears to be the problem. I'm going to do a deep dive and find out who's manufacturing them. I thought it was Techniques or something like that. Somebody, I think a technician had told me that. But anyways, it doesn't necessarily mean that Techniques makes the motor. In fact, I'm pretty sure that they don't. Back to cheap Chinese stuff, probably. Anyways, I believe that that's the problem. Finally, I want to give a huge shout out to Sweetwater, who provided me with the replacement parts. They were fantastic. Connor is the sales guy who helped me. He's amazing. And Sweetwater's price was $1 less per fader than the big competitor in the area. And also, they had the parts I needed in stock. The big competitor only had 3 in stock, and I needed 4. So yeah, shipping was lightning fast, and they're fantastic. Welcome to Blackberry Dreams. Please subscribe, leave comments, and hit that bell. Enjoy the videos. In a world that's made of nothing, there's a place for you and me, somewhere in between. Hi.